Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about social share. If you aren't familiar with what social share is, that is basically what is shown on social media if someone shares your website or a link to a certain page. For example, if we come over to Facebook and look at this IndieWire post, we're going to see that it has an image and it has some text and it has the title for whatever that page is. It's basically when a user shares a link to a post or a page of yours, you want it to show something like this. Now to set that up in Wix, it's exactly the same for both the classic editor and editor X. All you have to do is come over to the pages icon, click on this 3 dots next to the page and go to social share. So it's very similar to SEO. In fact, when you edit the SEO, that description and name automatically transfer to the social share. However, you can edit this to be exactly what you want, and it does not affect the SEO. And if you edit the social share and then go back and edit SEO, it will not affect the changes you made on social share. And for me, I try to follow the same exact rules that I follow for SEO. So for the title, I typically add some sort of eye-catching, attention-grabbing title. Then I put the name of the company, and then I put the location for where this company or service is located. Then below that is the description. Now obviously this is the same thing that I have for my SEO. However, you can see here that this whole description fits perfectly. However, with social share, you only have one line, so you can't really have it be too long. So I'm just going to make this as short as possible, something like that. That way everything fits here. You can also notice that with the title and the description, basically the first letter of every single word, besides like to, with, and, the, like stuff like that don't need to be capitalized, but every other word that is different, I always capitalize the first letter of that word. That makes it a lot more scannable for your users. And I know I've mentioned this a lot in the past, but your users don't really read your website, they only scan. So it's really important to make sure that your website, your promotion for your website and everything like that is just scannable. And right up here is the image. Here you can upload your own image. What I see a lot of people do is just choose an image on that page and use it as the social share. And that is perfectly fine. But if you want to customize it for yourself, what you could do is create your own. In order to do that, it is important to note that the Wix social share image size is 1200 by 630 pixels. So I've actually already created one, which I'm going to go ahead and upload right now. And I'm going to put it just like that. And then if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see an option for Twitter settings. If we click down, we can see that we can make it large just like up here, or we can even make it small just like that. Typically for important pages like a home page or something like that, I'll typically do the large one, but maybe something for like blog post or like a sub page of something, I'll do the small one. And again, here you just want to check these settings and make sure all the information fits inside the title and the description. But now whenever I share this on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or anything like that, this is what is going to be shown. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider pressing that like button and consider subscribing for more Wix Fix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.